Kris is the main character in role number 21, a show loved by kids and toddlers. He is a brave and clever boy who goes on exciting adventure with his friends. Kris is always ready to stand up for what's right, even if it means facing challenges. Kris is always ready to stand up for what's right, even if it means facing challenges. He is kind and caring, making him a great friend to everyone around him. Through Kris adventures, kids learn important lessons about friendship, courage, and doing the right thing. So, whenever Kris is on a new adventure, kids can't wait to join in on the fun and excitement. Kids enjoy watching Kris because they see themselves in him. He just like them, curious, energetic, and always ready for fun.